Welcome to Ignite India Education, India's leading design, architecture, fine arts, law and management entrance exam preparation ISO 9001-2015 certified institute. In this video, we will be discussing NID DAT 2021-22 updates for UG and PG programs. Be with us till the end to know everything in details. National Institute of Design, NID, has announced detailed information of DAT 2021. Due to COVID-19 pandemic situation prevailing in the country and uncertainties arising thereof, the DAT main of the admission cycle 2021-22 will be held in the online mode. 1. For Bachelors of Design candidates who would be shortlisted for DAT mains. The candidates who are shortlisted for DAT mains would be required to upload a theme poster on the topics, will be communicated separately only to the shortlisted candidates as a single PDF file, size not exceeding 10 MB. The poster can either be done manually in any media and scan photographed to be uploaded or digitally on a 3-size sheet. The candidates will also be required to prepare a digital copy of their sample of works portfolio to be uploaded as a single file in PDF format, size not exceeding 10 MB. 2. For M.Des candidates WHO would be shortlisted for DAT mains. The candidates who get shortlisted for DAT mains would be required to submit a statement of purpose, SOP, within a maximum word limit of 300 words. Question will be communicated separately only to the shortlisted candidates, which needs to be typed and uploaded as a single PDF file, size not exceeding 2 MB. The candidates are also required to prepare a digital copy of their portfolio to be uploaded as a single file in PDF format, size not exceeding 10 MB. The topic related to the theme poster and the questions related to the statement of purpose will be intimated to the candidates separately on their registered email IDs. The candidates would be given a week's time window within which they would have to upload the same. We will be posting new videos related to NID SOP, poster and portfolio on Ignite India YouTube channel and Ignite India app. NID portfolio preparation related tips will be posted on Ignite India Instagram Ignite_India. Follow us to get all tips related to portfolio, SOP and poster.
Wish to join our online class, please call on 9972046911. Please check details in video description and join WhatsApp group free. Please like video and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get first access to exclusive content and new class announcements of Ignite India Education, the India's largest online design education platform.
Download the Ignite India app to get free access of NID portfolio making and interview tips. Stay safe, stay positive, good luck. We'll see you in next video.